Hey guys, my name is Harley. I'm from New Zealand. I've been an SDE teacher for a year and a half now here in Dapeng district of Shenzhen, and my apartment is up there. This is it. When we first got to China, Sea Dragon put us into a hotel, and then one day they took us out here to look for an apartment. We found it on the same day. It came furnished with the couch, fridge, shelf, TV, table, chairs, bed, wardrobe, and washing machine. So that's pretty sweet as. The water in China is not safe to drink, so we get this little bad boy delivered maybe once a week. My school is just over there, about a 10-minute walk away, which is really convenient, and yeah, pretty good views. Just 5 minutes from here is our closest beach, and Shenzhen's second tallest mountain is just a 10-minute DD away, Qinyangshan.